The AFP has ordered all its units to be extra vigilant in the wake of the deadly Bangkok, Thailand bombings. At least 22 people were killed and about 120 others wounded when still unknown bombers targeted the Erawan Shrine in the Thai capital last August 17. AFP Chief Hernando Iriberri directed military units to be extra vigilant and to conduct measures to prevent a similar incident to occur in the country. General Iriberri said their efforts are in coordination with the Philippine National Police and other organizations engaged in security services. Meanwhile, the AFP assures that there will be no spillover of the Bangkok violence in the Philippines. More from Christine Santos.
The Armed Forces of the Philippines assure there will be no threat of Thai violence spillover after the bomb blast happened in Bangkok, Thailand. The bombing was not yet identified as a terrorism attack, but Lieutenant Colonel Noel De Toyato said the military did not monitor any bomb attacks that could be compared to those attacks made by the terrorists in the Philippines.
May mga grupo na nag-identify sila sa bawat isa, sa bawat bansa, pero sa ngayon wala tayo nakikitang magiging direct na link nung nangyari sa Thailand dito sa ating bansa. Wala tayong nakikitang similar na incident o magiging similar na rason na mangyayari ito sa atin.
AFP Chief General Hernando Iriberri has ordered the soldiers to be alert and prepared at all times to avoid any kind of attacks. The military asked the public to report to the authorities if there are suspicious objects or persons spotted.
Ating Chief of Staff ay nag-utos ating mga tropa to be extra vigilant, mapag-obserba sa pag-araw-araw nila na mga gawain para ma-prevent natin ang parehong sakuna na mangyari dito sa ating bansa. Ito lang din ang aming hiling sa inyo na kung kayo ay may nakitang mga impormasyon o mga bagay na medyo kahinahinala, mag-report lang kaagad sa ating pinakamalapit na detachment ng military or police precinct o sa munisipyo para maimbestigahan kaagad natin ito.
Meanwhile, the AFP condoles with the relatives of the victims who died in the bomb attacks.